welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful, sexy, sultry glam. This is a Cleopatra inspired makeup look. This is obviously my take on it. I wanted to do something sexy and simple for you guys. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and let's dive into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so today we're gonna start this makeup look. I wanted to do Cleopatra for Halloween. I've always been fascinated by her makeup, and I wanted to do my take on a more simple, beautiful, gorgeous look that you guys can rock at any time, any Halloween party. So let's go ahead and let's begin. For today, I'll be using my Morphe x Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. I'll be going into the shade 1985, taking a Morphe M453 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and work this into my crease. Starting at the corner, I'm just gonna go back and forth and build a nice transition color. Cleopatra was known to have like really beautiful, intense makeup, so I'm gonna go in now into the shade Hi Dude, and I'm gonna be applying that into the corner of my eye and working that in to really add some depth and dimension. Taking the same eyeshadow, I'm going to flick it a little upwards towards the end of my brow just to create more of that cat eye shape that Cleopatra was very, very known for. After I spent a couple minutes kind of blending everything out, I am then going to cut my crease using that same P.LOUISE primer, and this time taking a little flat brush, an M166 brush from MORPHE. I begin by tapping the product onto my eyelid, really creating that shape that I want to cut and sculpt the eyeshadow exactly into the perfect cat eye. So after I got ahead and I've cut the crease, I'm gonna go back into this Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be taking Girl, and the next one is gonna be Designer Label, and I'm gonna be applying it onto the same areas that I just cut with the P.LOUISE primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack this onto the lid. As you guys can see, these colors are so beautiful and pigmented, and they really complement this kind of gold cut crease eyeshadow look that I'm trying to create. So I'm then going to go into this same palette and go into the color Millions, which is like a super chunky, beautiful gold shade. And dipping it into that shade, I'm going to press this onto those gold colors. Next up, I'm going to be taking my HAUS Laboratories black eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a really pretty, gorgeous cat eye. This is going to really amplify this look and step it up a notch and make it look very Cleopatra. So starting at the corner of my eye, I'm going to pull on it just a little bit just to get that nice wing, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill in all the other areas across my lash line. After I've gone ahead and I've done that, I'm going to go back into that same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to grab that black shade Fast Lane, and I'm going to be applying that into the corner just to kind of amplify everything. Cleopatra was known for really dramatic makeup, so I'm just going to make sure that it looks very intense and beautiful. And then blending it out with a blending brush. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be applying my Pro Filt'r. This is from Fenty Beauty. It's one of my favorite primers. It's almost like a very creamy yet somewhat silicone-based primer. I'm going to be applying this on all my face to make sure it's nice and blemish-free. Next up is foundation, and today I'll be using my Morphe foundation, the Fluidity. I forgot how much I really loved this foundation. It's a matte finish, so it's perfect for what I'm going for today, and I'm going to be using the shade number F2.70. I'm going to be patting this all over the face and getting rid of any blemishes that I might have going on. Next up is going to be concealer, and for today I'm going to be using my two favorite concealers, my Dose of Colors number 19 and number 12 mixed together. I use one color to cover any blemishes, and I use the other color just to kind of brighten my under eyes and all the areas of my face. Then I'm just going to blend everything out. I'm just patting it in and making sure that everything is nice and blended. Next up, it's time to bake, and I'll be taking my JCat Luxe Banana Powder. I'm going to be applying this underneath my eyes and the rest of my face just to mattify all of my makeup. Make sure you pack it onto your damp beauty blender and just kind of press it into the skin. For bronzer today, I'll be taking my NARS Laguna bronzer. It's one of my favorite bronzers. I'm going to be using a Morphe M554 brush just to sculpt and contour my face. Starting with the cheekbones, I'm adding definition as well as the rim of my forehead, just warming up all the areas. Now that I bronzed out my face, I'll be contouring my nose using my number 6 brush from my collaboration with Morphe brushes, as well as that same Laguna bronzer. I'm gonna be drawing 2 lines on each side of my nose. I have a detailed, in-depth nose contouring video. If you guys wanna check it out, make sure you guys do. It's called How to Get a Nose Job Using Makeup. Going back into that Jeffree Star palette, I'm gonna be mixing Hi Dude Fast Lane as well as the shade 1985, and I'm gonna be smoking this underneath my eye. Just tapping the product underneath, and then using a clean brush, I'm gonna be buffing that into the under eye. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be applying my lashes. I'm going to be using my collaboration with Salon Perfect, and I'm going to be using Verified, which is a very beautiful cat eye lash that's going to allow you to see my eyeshadow still, but still get that beautiful full effect. So I'm going to be applying these on. So next up is going to be my lips. I'll be using my Sweet Tea lip liner from Morphe to outline my lips. And for the lip color, I'll be taking my Shayla times ColourPop and applying this onto my lips. Alright Bear fam, so this concludes my Cleopatra makeup. I'm honestly so obsessed with how it turns out. Like, this dark haired wig is making me kind of want to go back to the dark side, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to create a look for you guys that I thought was going to be simple and something that you could put together very last minute if you guys were going to a Halloween party. I thought this was a perfect look. I hope you guys loved today's tutorial, and I want to give my post notification shout out to my girl, the real Slim Shayla. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. If you guys want a shout out, all you guys have to do is turn them on and then comment when done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.